What's up, my YouTube friends? I am Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and today is all about RVs. And this is just going to be a quick little video, and if you want more insight into any of these RVs that we are building, I will make sure that we throw up a card. We'll make sure that this video is in a playlist, and you can check out all the RVs that we are building. Currently, we have 3 RVs that we finished this week, and we wanted to show you guys just what we're doing. And these are 3 very different RVs. So if you have a Class C Ford RV, we're gonna try to give you guys some ideas on how to get more ground clearance. Let's start over here with this Outlook. This thing is awesome, coming in at just like 22 feet. It's a little guy, 6-inch Baja grocery getter. We added a bumper. If you wanna know more, I'll put it up there, a card. But the biggest thing we wanna show is how much clearance these things have on them, how nice they drive. All of these RVs got our Baja grocery getter up front, and then our custom springs in the back. Check out this awesome Sunseeker back here, which sits also really nice. Also the ability to run bigger tires. But the biggest thing underneath you'll see here is that additional clearance that you're gonna have under those levelers right there. That's a huge plus in wanting, if you're wanting to get more clearance there because you may be off-grid camping, or maybe just getting into your driveway is somewhat difficult. So that's one of the key takeaways in here. And then we go to this giant Thor Outlaw behind us, and this thing's coming in at like 31 feet. This is a garage edition, so you can put all your toys in the back. But again, the same thing is the levelers on this. We're sitting super low to the ground. We have a lot more clearance in the front and also in the rear. We've done a big set of springs in the rear of this thing. And like I said, if you want to know more information about this Outlaw right here, I'll throw up a card and you can check out the whole build that we did on this. These things always come back for more because we got a lot of cool products coming at you guys for the RVs, including rear bumpers and other craziness. But I don't know, I mean, that's it. If you guys have questions about lifting your RV, if there's something that we're not covering in any of these videos, please comment below. I would love to help you try to answer any questions that you may have about lifting your RV and how much better these things drive. That's one of the key takeaways in this. And if you watch some of the videos on these where the owners get to go drive them and are completely blown away at how much better they drive, how much better they handle, and the stability on them is awesome. So guys, this is our Class C RV lift kits for the Ford E-Series. And I know one of you guys out there have to have a Chevy, like a 3500 on a motorhome RV. Where are you guys at? I'm dying to do one of those. We haven't had a chance to do one. I'm always looking to take on fun new projects, and I think that that Chevy would be awesome with a lift kit on it. I'm gonna watch Austin get stung by a bee. Just kidding. See, look at him run. Ha ha ha, that was a good one. He always gets me, now I got him. So anyways, guys, 3 different RVs coming in from 19 feet all the way up to 31 feet. These things are rad when they are lifted. Please comment below, let me know what you think. And I know for all you couple goofballs out there, they'll be like, oh, it's not 4-wheel drive, it's yeah, I know, it is. Thanks for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. But that's it, guys. 2-wheel drive Ford Class C RV. Man, that's almost a mouthful. That's it. That's all I got. This one's short and sweet. I will see you guys later.